Go to GeekForMe.com, the easy way to find trusted local tech repair experts near you. GeekForMe.com, fast, local and reliable. This is the Be Quiet Power Zone 2, and today we're taking a look at the 1200 watt version, which is built for modern gaming PCs and high performance systems that need stable power with plenty of headroom. The Power Zone 2 is an ATX 3.1 power supply, which basically means it's designed for today's hardware and the sudden power spikes you get from high-end CPUs and graphics cards. The range comes in 750, 850, 1000 and 1200 watts. One of the key features here is the included 12V 2x6 cables for newer PCIe 5.1 graphics cards. And on this model it comes with a 90-degree angled connector on the GPU end. That's great for tighter cases and cleaner routing, but it's worth double checking your graphics card design because some cards have recessed power sockets or odd shrouds that might not play nicely with an angled plug. Just keep in mind the number of modular cables you get will vary depending on which wattage model you go for, so always check the specifications first. Cooling is handled by a Pure Wings free 140mm fan, and it supports a semi-passive mode, so at lower loads the fan can stop completely if needed. There's also a feature for the fan where it will keep on going for a bit longer after your wattage drops. Efficiency wise, this unit is rated at 80 plus platinum and cybernetics platinum, with up to 94.3% efficiency listed at certain loads. In simple terms, this means you're using less power, the unit is producing less heat because it's using less electricity, and also you're saving money because it's not going to cost you as much to run. Design wise, it's a classic Be Quiet. Stealthy, clean and built to disappear into a blacked out build. The Power Zone 2 logo has a metallic surround finish and stands out nicely. The fan grille is also built into the casing, meaning that there's no screws or unsightly external grills. The power supply specifications are stuck on the side rather than top, which may not be the aesthetic choice for everyone. The other side has the Be Quiet logo embossed onto the side. Around the back you've got the standard power socket and rocker switch, and there isn't a separate button to toggle the fan behaviour, because the PSU handles that automatically based on the load and temperature. On the modular side you've got all the ports you'd expect, and the cable socket feels solid. We also did some simple tug tests once everything was plugged in, and everything felt secure with no loose feeling connectors. For reliability, we ran this power supply for over 100 hours, including 100 power cycles, and we had no issues during testing. It also comes with a 10-year manufacturer warranty, which is exactly what you want to see on a PSU aimed at higher end builds. The packaging is the usual Be Quiet style, mostly black with white print and a small hint of orange, with a big product image front and centre. Around the back you get the key specs and a QR code, but it does not clearly list the included cables or cable lengths on the box itself. Inside the box you get the power supply, 2 bundles of modular cables, a mains power cable, mounting screws, black plastic cable ties, plus the usual paperwork. The cables themselves are flat and black, which makes them easy to route behind the motherboard tray, although some of the runs are split into sections rather than being one continuous flat ribbon all the way down. So overall, Power Zone 2 is built for people putting together a modern PC that needs proper ATX 3.1 support, tidy modular cabling and native 12V 2x6 connection for current gen GPUs. And it comes with a bonus of angled connectors to help with tighter builds. If you want a power supply that's designed around today's hardware and you like the idea of high efficiency and a long warranty, this one is clearly aimed at that crowd. I hope you enjoyed this video, and know I did. Why not check out one of our other videos by clicking this box up here, or this one just down here. Otherwise, you can give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.